Okay, so driving the screw in, put it in there to get her started. Make sure you got your screw tip in there. Make sure you're in drive. And notice I'm doing short little bursts. And that's the way to go with it. And you see, nice and flushy, or just ever so slightly below the surface of the wood. That's the goal.